Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in and tell you more about this month's card club. So welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Natalie O'Shea. I am the founder of the Card Making Academy. There's my website there, www.thecardmakingacademy.co.uk, and on there I share all sorts of things. I've got lots of free resources, blog posts and ideas and things like that, but I'm here today to talk to you about the April 2021 card club. So if I take you to my website, this is what my site looks like, and if you go up to I'm trying to do this from a distance, so this is fun. So if you go to learn and down to card club, then this is what you'll see. So the monthly card club, let's get rid of that along the bottom there, is everything you need to know about card club. So if you go through there, it tells you a little bit more about it. What you get in your kit is there, and you can subscribe by hitting any of those keys there. There's one of our lovely club members explaining why she loves the card club. Here's one of the cards that we will be making in April, and this is a list of what's included in the kit. You can add supplies to your kit if you want to, and there is the options there of what you can add and the prices. And there are 3 different ways that you can get the monthly card club. So the first one is by subscribing. So monthly subscribers get a kit every month through the post for £25 a month. You'll see what it includes because I'm going to be going through that in a second. But sorry, I've just realised what camera I'm on. So you can, I'll see that in a minute of what's included. So £25 a month, that's the best value and way for you to get your hands on the card club every month. It means that you don't miss one, and once you've set up your subscription, you don't have to think about it again unless you want to add things to your kit, and you get an email from me about that anyway. So that's the best way, £25 a month, and when you stay for 6 consecutive months, then you can pick £25 of any products that you like from the current Stamping Up catalogues. There's a craft product catalogue. You can pick that for free for your choice. Now, I do realise, so say that's the best value, and that's really the best way to join the card club and make sure you don't miss out each month. But I do realise that some people don't want to subscribe to a monthly club, or you might want to try me out for a month before you get stuck in to see what it's like. And you will see that there's a one-off kit option there as well. And then I may have people who don't actually want any of the kit, but they do want the instructions on how to make the cards. And so I have an option for that as well. So there's your 3. So on the left is the PDF and video access only for £15 a month. You've got the monthly card club subscription for £25 a month, or the one-off kit for, I've just thought that says March, it's April, for April there as well. So I'll get that changed. I can't believe I haven't changed that. Oh dear. Right, okay. That was worth doing this video for, just to spot that. So you can just click on any of these. So let's say you did just want a one-off card kit. So you can click on that. You can add to a cart straight away. Or if you want to find out a little bit more about it, you can do that. So let's change that to April. And you can add it to your cart if you decide you want to do that. And then go up. Oh, hang on, down a bit. And off you go, and you can check out. That's how you get your hands on the card club, whether it's a subscription, whether it's a one-off, or whether it's PDF access only. But I wanted to kind of show you that so you knew what to do on your computer. So let's have a quick look at April, shall we? What you can make and what you receive in the kit. So let's just change that. So in your kit, as that page said, you're going to receive a a whole pack of this pattern paper. It's 48 sheets in different colours, and you'll find that all the products that I use are from a company called Stamping Up. If you're not familiar with them, they are very high quality coordinated products, and that's why I love them. So this kit will always include Stamping Up products. So you get a whole pack of paper, 48 sheets of 6x6 paper. You'll get a full pack of these butterfly embellishments as well, and they are in the same colours because they coordinate. You'll also get a Wink of Stella pen here as well. So this is a brush tip end, she says, because she's going to take that off. Oh, hold on. A brush tip end, and as the name suggests, it adds a fine layer of glitter, and you'll see on one of the cards where that is used. But that's a good thing to have in any crafting arsenal. You'll also get not a whole bit, but some white twine as well that's needed for the cards. You also get enough card, die cuts and envelopes to make 8 cards. There's 4 designs each month, and you get to make 2 of each card. So that's one set that you can keep and stroke and do whatever you want to do with, use as inspiration moving forward, or and then you can give 4 away as well. So let's have a look at this month's cards. So that's our first card. So these are coloured. You can use anything you like to colour these. That's not included in the kit. But so whether you've got watercolour pencils, colouring pencils, pens, water-based pens, alcohol-based markers, whatever you choose, whatever your colouring of choice is, that's one of our cards. And then we have another one here, another one here, and another one here. So if you do not own the stamp set and punch, it's not included in the kit because you can use other images instead of umbrellas with this set. Obviously you can change every sentiment for a different sentiment, and if these weren't umbrellas, they could be birds, they could be dragonflies, they could be all sorts of things that you might already have. They could be flowers. This layout and everything on it works perfectly if this was a flower here and just a main flower here and 3 flowers here, for example. So you can use the kit with other stuff. But if you do want to, then I do offer my customers and my members of my club reduced costing on the things that I'm using that month. So as you saw on that page on the website, you can have this stamp set and this punch at reduced prices, and also on offer as well is an ink pad. So for example, this is normally £7 and my club members get it for £6. And they just let me know once you've set up your monthly subscription or you've paid your one-off fee, if you want to add things to your kit, you can do so, and we just sort out payment for that separately. So that is the option. So again, you know, they're not included because I also know that some people who may already have this bundle might just want some ideas, and therefore the kit is always separate from what we're using. So you can either buy it if you've got the stuff or use something else if you want to, but you can always have the option to add as well. So I hope that gives you a quick overview of what we are doing in April and how the card club works. I'd love to have you come and join our monthly membership. As I say, just check out the page. It is there on that page, www.thecardmakingacademy.co.uk. Click up onto that learn, down to card club like I showed you, and you can read it all in your own time. And if you want to subscribe, you only have until the 14th of this month, so 14th of April in this case, to sign up for the card club. And it changes each month, so you'll have another one. So on the 1st of May we'll have another card club, and you can join then if you want to, or check it out, or if you want to be kept on a waiting list, then also let me know as well. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'd love you to come and join the club. The club is my fastest growing thing that I do. The club members love the kits, and they are fantastic value for money. £25 includes your postage, and sometimes £4 of that is postage. Yet, as you can see from the products that you get in the kit, there's more than £21 worth there, but that's because I share some of my goodies with you. But anyway, I'd love you to come and join us. Just go on there and click those links and come and either subscribe or have a one-off kit. You've got a week. I'd love to see you there. Bye.